Hiya folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Fluent Community and comparing it to BuddyBoss. These are two great platforms to build a community on WordPress. WordPress runs about between 40 and 43% of all websites on the internet. If you're looking to build a modern community with elements of, let's say, a forum, with a social media platform like Facebook, these two offerings really do offer a great solution. At WP-Tonic, we've got a ton of knowledge in this. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So, like I said, I'm going to be comparing Fluent Community with BuddyBoss. Now, Fluent Community came on the scene about 16 months ago. I can't believe where the time's gone. And it was a newer platform, a newer WordPress plugin, but it comes from a very experienced team that produce a number of really great solutions for the WordPress platform, like Fluent CRM, Fluent Forms, and a number of other plugins. So they were new, but they were very experienced in building fantastic solutions in the world of WordPress. And they've done a fantastic job. Over the last 16 months, it's matured quite a bit. It offers really the key elements if you're looking to build a community website on WordPress, with a forum, with ability of different groups inside a Fluent Community to communicate with one another, very similar to the way they would do it in a Facebook group. It's very easy to configure, and it isn't too demanding on the resources that you need when it comes to hosting. It does require decent hosting, but it doesn't require the kind of real powerful type of hosting that BuddyBoss needs. Now, there were, I wouldn't say problems with the initial release because it was new, but it wasn't really designed to be that easy to customize. They've done a lot of work on that front. It now works with all the major page builder plugins out there, like Elementor, Cadence, WP, Divi, which I wouldn't recommend, but it does work really well with that as well. But about half a dozen of the leading page builders for WordPress out there, Fluent Community really does work quite well now, and it allows you to customize a lot of the elements of Fluent Community that you couldn't really do when they first launched. We used to recommend that you had it on a subdomain, very similar to Circle, which is a leading SaaS solution that's built not to replace your main website, but to have it on a subdomain. And that's what we used to recommend with Fluent Community. You can still do that, but we don't recommend it. You can now have it on your main domain, and it's going to inherit the main theme elements that you get from your page builder. Now, does it totally replace BuddyBoss? Now, you're going to watch a few reviews here on YouTube, and some of them are going to say, or the headline of the video, the main tagline of the video is saying, BuddyBoss killer, BuddyBoss replacement. Now, I think for a lot of people, Fluent Community is the better choice. It's faster to load, it's more modern code. It definitely has benefits, and we love it. Now, if you're already got a large community and you really are looking for all the bells and whistles, you're probably still going to be attracted to BuddyBoss. It's been around a number of years, and it really is one of the most powerful, mature platforms. And it can go head to head with systems like um, let's say Circle, Mighty Networks, um, which really are the two main SaaS competitors. BuddyBoss can really go, like I said, head to head with those. The other main thing that will attract people still to BuddyBoss is that if you're looking for an app as part of your community package, it will run on iOS and Android as an app, and you'll have push notifications and other elements. What BuddyBoss offers is unsurpassing value, really, in my opinion. A lot of the SaaS solutions do offer inexpensive iframe kind of app solution at a reasonable price, but it will have all their branding all over the app. And if you're looking for a white labeled solution that you can brand with your branding, which you will want, it becomes extremely expensive very quickly. We're talking anything between $15,000 to $30,000 plus, depending on the kind of functionality and your particular needs. Now, with BuddyBoss, they do offer a iframe solution that starts at below $2,000 to configure, and then it's below $200 a month to month, or you can get a reduction by going annually. That is, and it's totally white labeled. You won't have BuddyBoss branding on it. Now, if you want customization, they can offer it, but it will be less than Mighty Networks or Circle, but it will still gradually go up. And I can't give you a figure how much that will cost because it depends on the customization that you're looking for, but it will be cheaper. Now, when it comes to Fluent Community, they don't offer a similar service to BuddyBoss at the present moment. Now, there are a couple of solutions that will work with Fluent Community. One of them is AppPresser. They do offer a similar setup to BuddyBoss. Both really work well with LearnDash. BuddyBoss recently introduced more native support for Tutor LMS. Now, if you're not looking for an app, Fluent Community really does provide some basic membership functionality, but you'll be better off looking at it working with one of the leading learning management systems. The good news is that it works really well with Lifter LMS, LearnDash, and Tutor LMS. They're the three main LMS plugins that I would recommend that you work with Fluent Community. Another factor, because it comes from the Fluent family, it really works extremely well with Fluent CRM and Fluent Forms, the free and pro version. If you found this video helpful, and I just wanted this as an introduction and put the main things that I feel that you need to know to make some kind of judgment call on which of these great platforms really suit you. If you found this video useful, give us a like and think about subscribing to the channel. That really helps me. And also, there's an article I've written that goes into all this in a lot more detail. You'll find the link to that article, that post, in the video description underneath this video. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.